Departure American 525 Heavy, 1,300 climbing, fossil 3.
American 525 Heavy, Miami departure. Good morning, radar contact. Lima maintain 16.
And say again for American 525.
American 525 Heavy, radar contact. Maintain 16,000. Taking us.
16,000 American 525 Heavy. Departure American 525 Heavy.
American 525 Heavy, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, we'd like to stop at 5,000. We need to check something out.
American 525 Heavy, roger. That's approved. And you want to stay near the airport or you want to continue on course?
Near the airport for right now, American 525 Heavy.
American 525 Heavy, roger. Maintain present heading. Maintain 5,000.
5,000 present heading, American 525 Heavy.
American 525 Heavy, when you get a moment, just more info. Are you declaring an emergency or what's going on?
Okay, American 525 Heavy, we're not declaring the emergency just yet, but that's probably a probability. Let us just go through the list here.
American 525 Heavy, turn right heading 270, contact approach on 125.5.
1255 and right to 270 now for American 525 Heavy. Miami approach, American 525 Heavy, 5,000 coming right to 270.
American 525 Miami approach, Miami altimeter is 2997.
2997, American 525 Heavy.
American 525 Heavy, just advise us what you need.
All right, sir, it's actually a gear door problem and we're working on it right now.
And Miami American 525 Heavy.
American 525 Heavy.
Yeah, we got a build up ahead. Any chance we can get some right turns or left turns?
American 525 Heavy, turn left heading 200.
Left 200, and we'll still working the issue. We'll get back with you, American 525 Heavy.
American 525 Heavy, turn left heading 270.
Say the heading again first, 525.
American 525 Heavy, left turn 270.
Left 270, American 525. Miami American 525 Heavy.
Yes, sir.
We're going to go ahead and at this time declare pan. We had a door disagree message. As of right now, we've got the landing gear indicating down and locked. But as a precaution, we'd like to request runway 9er and the fire truck safety equipment as a precaution. We don't expect anything besides that.
American 525 Heavy, Miami approach, roger. Clear the Miami via radar vectors, turn left heading 090 and expect the ILS 9.
090 heading, vectors, runway 9er, American 525 Heavy.
American 525 Heavy, when able, advise the fuel remaining, tools on board, and whether or not you have hazmat. American 525 Heavy, you're ready to go inbound now?
Give us about 5 more minutes. Right now, total flows on board 193. We have some dry ice in the aft cargo compartment. And on the fuel, stand by.
Copy.
And approach American 525 Heavy, estimating 3 hours of fuel on board.
American 525 Heavy, roger. Just let me know when you're ready for the vectors to the north.
And we'll advise 525 Heavy.
American 525 Heavy, and verify you'll be overweight on the landing.
We will not be overweight at the landing, American 525 Heavy.
Copy that, thanks. American 525 Heavy, turn left heading 290.
290, American 525 Heavy.
American 525 Heavy, contact Miami approach on 133.05.
13305 now for American 525. Thanks for the help.
Good day.